Hello, this is Philip from Marine Magnetics, and in this video, I will guide you through the process of updating the firmware on your Marine Magnetics products, ensuring you have the latest features and performance enhancements. Before we begin, please note that not all Marine Magnetics products can be updated in the field. Some legacy models require a return to our facility for factory updates. Currently, the following products support field updates. Generation 2 and 3 isolation transceivers, manufactured from late 2023 onwards. Side scan interface transceivers, manufactured from 2024 onwards. The Synapse magnetometer, and the Argos handheld gradiometer. If you need more details on specific models or version compatibility, please refer to the compatibility table in the PDF manual linked in the video description. To get started, visit the Firmware Installer page at marinemagnetics.com, also linked below. From here, you can download the installer software. While the software is designed to automatically install the latest firmware, you also have the option to manually download specific legacy versions of the firmware if required from this page. The Firmware Installer features a simple linear interface to guide you through the update process. Today, I'll be using a third-generation isolation transceiver and Synapse magnetometer to demonstrate the workflow, but the process is the same for all equipment. First, connect your device to your computer as outlined in its respective manual. Isolation transceivers and the Argos connect directly to your PC, while the Synapse must be connected through an isolation transceiver. Ensure the device is properly powered before proceeding. In the Connect window of the installation wizard, select the appropriate COM port. You must also select the correct baud rate for your device. The baud rate for the isolation transceiver and the side scan interface transceiver are 115,200, while the baud rate for the Argos is 38,400. Now we can click Connect. You will see a list of detected devices. Confirm that your specific unit is recognized. If no devices appear, double-check that your equipment is powered and the correct COM port selection and baud rate settings are applied. I will first update the Synapse using the latest firmware release. For the Synapse, you will need to select the node that you want to update, or if you have an entire array connected, you can update them all at once. Then click Install. I have sped up the video here, but it should take 1 to 5 minutes depending on the device being updated. You can now see that the Synapse has been updated. I will now show you the process for installing a specific firmware version. This can be useful if you want to install firmware offline or you want to use a legacy version. You will first need to download the firmware file from the Marine Magnetics website and then click Select File to install that specific file. The process is the same as last time, where a progress bar will track the install. We will then be prompted that the update is complete. If you encounter any issues, verify that your cables are secure and confirm that your model is eligible for field updates. Detailed step-by-step instructions are available in the PDF manual linked in the description. If you still need assistance, our team is here to help. You can reach out via the support form on our website or email us directly at support@marinemagnetics.com. Thank you for watching.